Okay, hello friends. Today I received this product from Amazon and I'm going to unbox and review this product. What is this? It is a red light and NIR light therapy device. Okay, it's a lamp. I bought it from Amazon and you can also buy it from Amazon. As we open this box, what we get? We get this user manual booklet, like how to use, how to fix this lamp, everything. And you know what red light will do? It will enhance your skin tone. It will give you good skin, brighten skin, and we also get a thank you letter from the supplier. And this is the red light therapy lamp. See? Okay, and what else we get? We get this. These all are the equipments and how to fix it. Like this, okay, and we get this adapter, and we get this goggle, so no light or laser comes in our eyes. And this is the remote to use this, okay, and we get this, see, to install this lamp. Okay, so how to, like this, we fix like this, yeah, and now it's a base of this stand, red light therapy stand. It's very heavy and good base. Yeah, it's made of like iron. Oh yeah, this way, sorry, this way. Okay, very easy to install. You can install itself, no problem, no need to get any help. Yeah, it is fixed now. And let's see how to. This way. Now I put this here, okay, like this. Okay, now I am putting it here, this lamp. Now where to? Okay, this here are holes, okay, and I am fixing like here. See? Yeah, I am fixing. See? Yeah, now it is fixed. It is completely fixed now. Yeah. Okay. Now we can use like this or this, and now here is a remote of this. And how I have to place where to. Okay, here is here to insert this. Let me check. Yes, okay, I show you back. Okay, here you insert this power jack, and this jack on the other side you put here, and then you fix it in your electricity connection. Where is that? I have in my home, and then I will tell you how to use it. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Okay, here. Yes, it is now on. See, there is the remote. Okay, just hold it for some. Oh, it started. Okay, now enjoy and get good skin, brighten skin. It's a, see, complete red light therapy lamp. And yeah, this way you can fix like this. It's depend on you that how far you want it. And also use these goggles. So because it's in my couch, if you will place it in a flattened place, then it will not fall like this, okay? Or I put it on the ground. So this way you can use red light therapy lamp, and you can enhance its light from here like this. Yeah, decrease, here to increase, everything like this. Yeah, it is good lamp. Wow, wow. I am feeling little bit like good now. And it have session like how many minutes you want, like 29 minutes, 30 minutes, showing the minutes. Okay, 30 minutes, how many minutes you want to use it. Everything controller is on the, there is controller. Okay, so this way you can use and get your good skin. So if you want to buy it, go to Amazon, link in the description. Buy and enjoy and have good skin. Thank you. And please share the video, hit the thumbs up. Bye.